Okay, our son is not very quiet, and he also, let's see if he'll do it. He likes to blow his bubbles. I started doing that to him, and then he learned something similar. Hey, baby. Hey, Cruz. Will you do it? Come on, honey. You can do it, honey? I don't think we're going to get him to do it, but he's sure talking nice and good, isn't he? Ah! I think so. Come on, honey. You can do it? I don't think we're going to get it.
We're showing the